Welcome back to the CAD/CAM design tutorial. Today we are going to learn Loft Bose base command in detail in Solidwork. Then go to first new part and OK. Now first change dimension. Then first we learn simple loft. Then go to first top plane and make a sketch. We need two profile. Then first we select center rectangle like this. This center rectangle dimension length and height will be 150 by 150. Now done. Now we make a plane, then go to feature reference geometry. First exit this plane, reference geometry plane, then go to we select top plane through, we make a plane, then this plane dimension is 120. Now sketch normal. Now we make one another profile on this plane, then select center circle and then this circle diameter will be 100 and then exit. Now this profile will be done. Sketch plane hide. Then go to first we simple loft, then go to lofted Bose base. Then first we all select, we learn all this start and constraint, guide curve, profile, center line parameter, thin feature, and in this tutorial now we learn thin feature and profile and also learn type of thin feature. Now scroll up, select this profile, select this rectangle profile and this circle profile, and the loft are like this. Now if we apply thin feature, then are available in only edit mode. We don't apply an OK. Now done. Now go to edit. Now show this one and edit. Now scroll down, then see there are hide in thin feature. Now delete this loft and one more time make simple loft, select this profile. Now scroll down and see thin feature are available, and in this thin feature also three types: one direction, two direction, or mid plane. Now this is one direction. First we learn one direction, then this sketch 2 in upward direction 1 mm thickness. If we select mid plane, then our 0.5 upward and 0.5 downward direction, total 1 mm. And if we select two direction, then sketch 2 in upward direction etc mm and sketch 2 in downward direction etc mm. In this tutorial we need one direction 1 mm thickness. Then scroll up and OK. Now done. See the preview. OK. Now see this our object are hollow. Then appearance, we both thin feature and cell are both same. Now cross section view, done. Now cross section view, go to one more time edit. Now go to start and constraint, start constraint normal to profile. Now see this one was 1. If we increase this, now see this type of our object normal to profile are like this. Now cross section view like this. Now OK. Now hide realistic view and appearance to our object, then look like good. Now go to cross section and see like this type of cross section. Now cross section on and edit. Now we decrease start constraint, to change start constraint 9, 8, 7, 5, decrease to 0.1. Now see the profile are like this. Okay, now our profile are look like this. Now go to loft edit. Now we decrease more numbers 1, then see profile are like this. Now we change, see this type of radius are. Now we change 0, then 0 not apply, we select 0.1 or etc. 0.5, 0.9, 0.8 or etc. Dimension apply, then minimum 0.1 are given. Now go to end constraint and select non-direction vector. Non means non-direction vector, then circle are not to normal to profile. Then if we increase the number of this arrow decrease in decrease direction, then this type of object are look like this. Now done. Now go to this cross section view and show this type of hollow or object in end constraint, and okay, normal to profile. Now this is our start and end constraint option, and we also learn profile. Now we learn center line. Now go to edit. Now scroll down. Now we learn center line parameter. We learn guide curve in last. Then go to new and make new. Now select top plane sketch. Now we draw profile rectangle. Now done. This rectangle dimension is 150 by 150. Now right plane sketch and make a path to this our profile to center. Now like this. Now this arc and this profile are like this. Now this one was 400, this radius was 150. Now and this line dimension is 150. Now done. Now we make plane on this line end. Now show this line and this point. We make a plane, then go to feature, reference geometry, plane. Now like this. Now this line, second reference this point. Okay, now plane are created, sketch, and the sketch are normal. Now select different profile. We also select the rectangle. We apply any profile. We select first rectangle, then this rectangle are not in this center. Exit. First go to this plane, hide, and the sketch, edit. Now sketch, edit. Now this point. Now exit some object isometric view. This point and this rectangle center make coincident, then two into center. Now this line dimension is 550 and this line dimension is also 500. Now somehow change this length height of this rectangle. This one was same 550, but this 500 dimension change 350, then like this. Now this our both profile are done. Now exit and make a loft to center line parameter. Now go to loft and first select this profile to this our first rectangle, and now select this second rectangle. Our loft are like this but not in the center line parameter. Then go to center line parameter. Now this is section. Now first select this path means center line. Now apply maximum section like this, and okay, show section 1. Okay, then this type of not like this, somehow error. Then go to point R and twist, and now apply this. Now like this type of object are twisted. Now somehow change in our drawing. And in last edit our this sketch and change profile. Go to circle and select circle to the center. This circle diameter is 200. Now delete this inside rectangle all entities like this. Okay, entity like this. Okay, now exit and close. Now first we delete this loft, delete, yes. Now our profile are created. Now go to this sketch and some dimension change. This one was 350. Now both are same. Exit, loft, profile, loft are like this. Now go to center line parameter. Now this point drag like this and loft are created as like, but not in center. Then go to isometric, then go to this zoom fit. Okay, then go to this center line parameter, select this our profile. Now this is our somehow error, but if we now go to this edit, now done. Now done this angle. Now done. Now go to sorry, exit, loft Bose base. Now profile, this our both profile, and this point drag like this. Now go to one more time center line parameter like this. Now go to this center line parameter, select this center line through this our object. Now done. Okay, then see this type of object. Now our thin feature are hidden, then we apply shell. Now first appearance to this our object look like good, then done. Now go to shell, then thin feature are not in our loft, this is hide. Now go to apply shell, then go to this face and this face, and this thickness is 5 mm and show the preview. Now look like this. Now okay and okay. Now this type of our object is hollow, then go to cross section view, then select this top right plane, then done. Okay, now this type of our object are shell. Now done. Now our object is look like this. Go to this cross section hide, then this type of object are look like this. Now done. Now delete this shell, then go to loft, delete, yes. Now we learn guide curve, then select this sketch, edit. Now somehow edit dimension, this sketch length will be 450, and now this one length will be also 5750. Now like this. Now done, exit. Now these are in somehow length are changed. Now go to this, now go to this right plane, sketch and make path to learn this guide, exit, discard, change. Now delete this, sorry, undo. Now go to right plane and sketch and make to curve to learn guide profile. Then we select guide profile is like this. We apply the guide like this. Now this is one guide, and we also learn two guides. Then go to loft and select this our profile first. This is profile, or first delete this guide curve. Now go to this center line, now select this center line parameter, Now this guide curve, select the guide curve, and this our drawing is loft like this along guide curve. Now go to loft, delete, and make second guide curve, then right plane sketch normal and make one more curve, means second curve, and like this. Now adjust like this. Now done. Exit, feature, loft. Now first select this one was delete, go to this profile, select this is our first profile, this is second profile. Now loft are complete. Now go to this center line parameter. Now select guide, first go to this one was second guide curve, and sketch 2 is hide. Now show this our object along guide curve through loft. Okay, now done. Now look like as a hair dryer. Then go to first shell this object, this face and this face, and this thickness is 5, and show preview. Now like this. Okay, then okay. Now this our object shell like this. Now go to first unhide the realistic view of cross section view. Okay, then see this type of is like this. Now so different plane through cross section. Okay, now look like this. Now our object. Now go to this and enable real view graphic. Now go to new, open part, and learn this is guide curve, and now we learn different type of guide curve through loft. Then we same as make profile and different, make a plane and make another profile, and make as a loft command through guide curve, use of different type of curve. Now see in the slide. Make second profile like this. This diameter will be 20. Done. Add this. Now go to loft Bose base, first select this our profile. Now look like this. First go to right plane and sketch. Now we make a guide curve, different type of guide curve. Now show the preview along guide curve loft like this. Now go to this and delete, and make different guide curve like this, and go to exit and loft. Now select this guide curve. Our object is like this. Now our new guide curve like this. Now if we need thin feature, then thin feature one direction 1 mm, then check 5 mm. Okay, now see this our object is like this. Now apply appearance. Done. Now cross section view like this, and our preview like this. If any query on this type of our video, then comment me, and don't forget like video, share video, and subscribe channel for more tutorials.